Are you a do-it-yourselfer, or would you rather pay a professional? I have a friend who recently redid his entire bathroom. He redid the flooring and tiling. He redid the plumbing and installed the toilet and the shower and the sink as well. And he even did the electrical work, which is crazy. Now, this is something that I'd never considered doing. I did take a couple years of wood shop, so I'm a little crafty, but something on that level I would never ever consider doing. I don't have the knowledge, the expertise, the confidence in myself and my abilities to pull something like that off and be confident in my work. I also don't have the time to learn the skills to do that, to also have the time to take time to actually go through and redo the bathroom and take all of those things out and reinstall everything and work on the plumbing and the electrical. I just don't have the time for that. And that's okay. Some people are do-it-yourselfers where they want full control. They want to spend the time rather than the money, where they want to get that particular job or that particular project done. And there are others like me who would much rather pay a professional to do it, to take the time to do it and do it right in the way that those professionals would do it. Either works. You just got to figure out what works for you. And the same is true for your finances. There are a lot of people out there when it comes to their finances that want to do everything themselves. They want to spend the time and the effort to research the investments and the strategies and understand how they can execute it on their own. They want to control all aspects of the process and the execution of it, and they would rather spend the time than the money in doing that. And there are a lot of people who want to pay a professional like me to take care of that for them. They don't have the knowledge or the experience to plan and execute, and to be quite honest, they don't want to spend the time getting that knowledge and that experience. They don't have the time to commit, they're really, really busy, and they just don't want to take the time away from other things to try to learn and manage all of this. And they don't want the stress of worrying if they did it right or if they missed something. They would rather pay a trusted professional to help them come up with a plan and guide them along the way to make sure that they're able to get to their goals and handle anything that life is throwing at them. And here's the thing, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Whether you're a DIYer or someone who's asking for help, you got to figure out what works for you and your family. Understand what you're capable of doing on your own, understand what you're capable of learning and executing on your own, and understand if you want to keep doing it on your own or you want to pay someone else to take that burden off your plate. Whatever you decide, to be a do-it-yourselfer or to seek professional help, make sure you're making that decision not just within the context of your finances, but your overall life. What do you want out of this? What are you willing to give up to get it? It's either the time or the money. Again, there's no right or wrong answer. It's what's right or wrong for you.